Hi there, my name is Mizell and I'm a tech specialist with Citrix. Today, I will be walking through the out-of-the-box Wrike integration for Microsoft Office 365. The walkthrough will be from the perspective of an employee at company ABC going through their day-to-day work. To begin, as an employee at company ABC, I am frequently creating documentation and presentations for our customers, along with planning and communicating with my team to deliver our projects on time and within budget. Throughout my day, I use Wrike to manage my projects and use Office 365 for communication and documentation. Our team provides services to our customers, and Wrike helps us ensure our customers are satisfied with our on-time and high-quality deliverables. To give some context, the following items are things that I do within my day-to-day work at company ABC. Now that you have some context as to what I do, I am going to take you through a normal day at work, highlighting how the integration of Wrike in Office 365 can help me do my best work. I start my day at work by checking my email with my first cup of coffee. Currently, I am logged into Outlook browsing my email as I get my day started. I notice that Olivia, my manager, has sent me an email to finish the documentation for our customer, Green LLC. With the Wrike Outlook plugin, I can create a task immediately to track this to-do item. I now have created a task in Wrike to finish the documentation that Olivia requested that I work on. With the Outlook add-in, I didn't have to navigate to a separate browser and the appropriate space to track a to-do item. Instead, I was able to do it directly from Outlook itself. Since Olivia requested that I finish the documentation, I am going to go to Microsoft Word to finish the document to then send over to Green LLC. Here we have our document for Green LLC. I am adding my finishing edits so that Olivia and my team can review. Since I have already created this as a task in Wrike, I can simply go to the Wrike add-in and attach this document to the newly created task. Easy enough. While I wait for Olivia and the team to look over the documentation, and now that it is finished for this project, I need to start working on the presentation for the customer. While this is a rough draft, I want to add it as a task in my team space so that the team can see I started on it. I am going to notify my team through Microsoft Teams channel that we have set up, and also double check when the presentation is. I thought I remembered it was July 27th, but I want to be sure that's definitely when I'll have to be ready to have the final version of this. First, I'm going to see the Gantt chart view of this project to look at when the presentation is happening, and if I'm correct, it's on July 27th. It appears the presentation is on July 27th, so I will make sure to have the PowerPoint finalized by July 25th. I'm going to create the Wrike task from PowerPoint to track the progress and ensure that I am finished by July 25th, so I have ample time to practice before the presentation happens. Thank you for joining me in this demo of the Microsoft Office 365 integration with Wrike. To review my day, as an employee at company ABC, I used a combination of Wrike and Microsoft applications to get work done. I was able to create a task in Wrike directly from Outlook. This saved me time and effort from having to navigate to a browser, remember the email I was sent, and the details of that email. Directly from Outlook, I could create a task without losing or forgetting the context of what Olivia had sent me. I next attached the finalized version of the Word doc to the task within Wrike. Since Wrike is our team's single source of truth, I was easily able to add the document to the task within Wrike so everyone on the team is on the same page of the document's version. Finally, I started the first draft of the presentation and ensured that I was going to be able to deliver the final presentation by the meeting date. With the Microsoft integrations that Wrike offers, I seamlessly could plan and manage my work and documents without having to always navigate to the right place. I didn't have to switch from my application to another browser without forgetting the details that I needed to input. With the Microsoft integrations, my day-to-day work has been more productive than ever.